Alrighty, so bonus edition here. This is my favorite way of boosting coffee enemas, literally coffee enemas on steroids. More minerals, more nutrients, more detox effect, stronger parasite killing effect, and they're intense, right? So start with the basic coffee enemas with just coffee and distilled water. Work your way up to being able to handle something like this. But here's the recipe, okay? So my favorite ingredients that I throw into the mix, because of the electrolyte issue that I find with coffee enemas, when I add salt and trace minerals to my coffee enemas, it makes it so much better. There's no sort of hangover feeling afterwards. There's no sort of weird dizzy feeling like I used to get from coffee enemas. I just put about 15 drops of this. I use a few pinches of Icelandic sea salt. You can use pink Himalayan salt as well. Next, I use half a teaspoon of L-theanine. Okay, I'll post links to all this stuff, guys. And L-theanine is a calming amino acid that's found in green tea, especially if you're sensitive to caffeine. L-theanine up the bum is going to be a great relaxation boost and a balancing effect of the caffeine. I always love taking things in balance. So if something is really strong detoxifier, I love adding minerals. If something has caffeine, I love adding theanine or glycine. Okay, next we're going to be using MSM powder, which is sulfur. Sulfur is crucial for detox. And we're going to be using a whole teaspoon of this. You got to work your way up to being able to handle that. But sulfur boosts detox, boosts glutathione, and also cleans out the digestive tract very well and helps the body remove heavy metals. Okay, sometimes I throw a little turmeric into the mix. You know, inflammation is something we always want to combat in the body. So turmeric is one of my favorite herbs. Got to put a whole tincture full in there. And then 3 to 6 drops of iodine. Okay, Global Healing Center Detoxidine. That is very strong against parasites, ladies and gentlemen. Also great for the thyroid, also great for removing halogens from the body. So you don't want to play around with these ingredients. You don't want to play around, you know, you want to make sure you're able to handle it and have built your way up to that level of detox. But that type of coffee enema, you'll see way more parasites, you'll get way more of a detox effect and way more productive. It's the same amount of solution, the same amount of time. It takes an extra 30 seconds to make. Enema takes the same amount of time, but you know, I love being efficient with my time. So anyway, all right guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a comment and a like below. Let me know what you think about this video, what you think about coffee enemas, how the experience was for you, if you saw any parasites come out. As always, talk to your doctor about all this stuff before you try it. And yeah, subscribe and see you on the other side.
Summer in the hills, those hazy days I do remember. We were running still, had the whole world at our feet, watching seasons change. Our roads were lined